Hi all, Naki here, or back again with the 1980 Yamaha dx100. A little while ago I replaced the piston rings in my bike here and I got the wrong size. So they're a little bit too small. As a result, this bike hasn't been making full compression and I haven't got access to that bestial 8 horsepower this bike can produce. So I ordered some more rings and they arrived today. Have a look at these bad boys. Genuine Yamaha. I guarantee you these things were made at the same time my bike was made. This packaging is absolutely awesome. How cool is that? Ah, here we go. Riken piston rings. Alright. So, because this packaging is really cool, I'm going to be very careful opening it. So we're going to do that now and I'll show you what these rings look like. Alright, let's have a look and see what they're like. I'm going to be very careful opening this. Like I said, I want to keep the packaging. So we'll just be super careful on how I do it. Ooh. Oh wow, it's one of those jobbies. Ooh. Okay, I think I only need to open one side here. Oh, I don't think this has been opened in a very long time. And there's my piston ring. Just be super careful. Oh yeah. See these right here? I installed these in this 8 horsepower engine and I guarantee you it's gonna make the full 8 horsepower and I'm gonna be scared to ride this bad boy. Oh, I don't know if I'm gonna video that yet. We'll find out. Alright. Thanks for watching, yeah?